Once you've imported your students into your directory, then you're going to add a class. To do that, you run your cursor up to classes and click add. It'll ask you if you want to choose an existing one or create a new class. We're going to create a new class. Let's give it a name. When your school starts developing names, you're going to have a lot of names of classes. So you want to come up with a convention that you can all agree upon. So at this school, we have the last name. I'm just going to call this test class. You want to keep it as an instructor. You can set the dates. I'll set mine as 5th grade to 5th grade. You want to say save. You've now made your class, except that there's a subject missing, so I have to give it a subject. Oh, here's a subject. This one is going to be a 3D animation. Once you've created your class, the first thing that I have to do is say configure, and I have to change that picture because it's driving me crazy. I just choose upload file. I'm going to choose one from my desktop. Click OK. Say save. Once the class has been created and you've changed your picture, under admin and configure, the best thing about EDU is it's very customizable and configurable. And so you can go through and select the things that you want, the tabs that show up, if there's a curriculum sheet you want to include, if there's a schedule, if there's a catalog. Under enrollment, you want to make sure this one is checked. Allow students to enroll. I keep allow students to unenroll unchecked, but that's up to you. Some of these you'll find that you'll turn off over time or not use. I use all of these assignment categories, but you might turn one of them off. The weighting scheme is dependent on how you want to configure classes, and you can experiment with these 4 different types.